Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through Sass variables. Variables are a way to store information that you can reuse later. With Sass, you can store information in variables. For this video, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my code editor. And if you need to learn more about this editor, you can watch my VS-based videos and find the links in the description below. And let me show you what we have inside our source folder. We have, since it's a continuation of a series, if you get stuck somewhere, kindly watch the previous video of the series. And here we have CSS folder, SCSS folder, and this index.html. And let me show you what we have in this web page. Here it is. Now let's start our Sass package and open a command prompt and type in here sass --watch, and now mention the path of SCSS file, which is scss /style le.scss style, and also mention the path of CSS file, which is css /style.css, and hit enter. Now compiled successfully. Let's come in here and check that it's working. Click on this style.css. Let me get rid of it and type in here some code, say body curly braces, hit save, and let's check our style.css. Here we have some error. Let's type in here background color to be green, hit save, and check. Yes, it's working now. It's compiled successfully. Now let's go to style.css. Before that, let's come in here index.html, and I'm gonna add some lorem text here. Just add a paragraph tag here and type in here some lorem text. Let me word wrap my editor, hit save, and see what we have. So this is what we have right now. Now let's click on the style.css, and I'm gonna define here a couple of variables. Let's say $my font Helvetica, sans serif, semicolon. Next line, I'm gonna define here another variable, my color would be red, semicolon, then $my font size, you can make it say 1em, semicolon. By the way, if you want to learn more about CSS or HTML, you can watch my CSS or HTML based videos. Then I'm gonna define another variable, $my let's drop it. Let's type in here $my bg color, short for background color, to be green, yellow, semicolon. And then this is how you can define variables in Sass. And now let's use these variables. Let's type in here body curly braces and background color to be $bg color. Go to the next line, font family would be my font. Go to the next line and font size would be my font size, and color would be $my color. And now we have a functionality for CSS to define variables and use them as well. Hit save and let's go to our web page and see this is how it looks. So this way you can use variables in CSS. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.